What up guys, welcome to Ultimate Karate. In today's lesson, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 essential karate techniques, 4 drills that you can do at home or at your practice. This is going to help you integrate, I feel, your whole body into your techniques. If you guys are ready, let's get right into it. So the first drill, it's very basic, but it's even required in a lot of advanced settings. And that's going to be maegeri keage and oizuki. So that's 2 fundamental techniques grouped into one. So if I'm going forward, maegeri by itself, you want to complete all steps of the kick. Up, out, back, and down. Making sure you are landing with the ball of the foot, not to the side, but to chudan level, usually, depending on your school. So if I'm going maegeri, oizuki. You don't want to kick and then not retract your leg, the hikiashi, and then punch at the same time. So your teachers usually are going to be looking for those key points. You're maintaining your posture, you're maintaining your control, and you're completing each move. Hey, I'm in kamae, ich, ni, sam, hey! Don't break the posture and maintain your level. I don't want to go up in a dramatic drop down. Up, down. You want to maintain the tension on your supporting leg and drive from there. So if I'm at this height, I'm kicking from there. And landing at the same height. Okay, again. Hitch. Front snap kick followed by lunge punch. You can practice that slow, practice that fast. You can practice it stationary. And you can go deep into your stance. Okay guys, oftentimes when I'm teaching a class, I like to throw in this drill for kihon. And again, just integrating the whole body using double techniques. Double techniques, to me, really shows understanding of your basics, if you can do it well. So it's going to be front snap kick, followed by mo-washi-geri roundhouse. Okay, front snap, mo-washi, and back to kamae. A few key points I like to note is when you do the last kick, 1, 2, you want to shift back into your starting position. You don't want to land maegeri, mo-washi-geri in here. So you don't want to be exposed. You don't want to show any weak points, okay? Everything is to the front. I'm looking at my partner, my opponent. First kick doesn't work, that feint maybe. Pom, pom, pom. Okay? Pom, pom, pom. The first kick, it can be, depending on how you train it, can be a feint or it can be a full snap kick. Full, okay, all the way back, and full roundhouse. Full, full, okay, and shift back to kamae. Or you can kind of bait your opponent. Bait, low and high. Low and high. Okay? Hey! Low and high. So yeah, that's a fun drill I like to do with my students and when I'm teaching. Maegeri keage, mo-washi-geri, roundhouse kick. And you can follow up with gyakuzuki if you want. But I tend to do that for other drills. You can add on, bam, bam, bam. So it's really up to you, but the foundation is a front snap to roundhouse, okay? You're square here, and then you're torquing, rotating, and pivoting. Boom. Okay? And down. All right, guys, drill number 3. We're going to be going off the first 2. We're going to be doing 2 kicks, followed by gyakuzuki. Okay, so first kick is going to be maegeri keage. Okay, hips square, hips shomen, eyes forward. Second kick, yokogeri kekomi. Okay, side thrust kick, not snap. Okay, we're gonna be thrusting. Imagining we're going through, bulldozing through a wall or an opponent. Okay, first kick, maigeri kiage, pam. Second kick, yokogeri kekomi, and followed by gyakuzuki. Okay, other leg. And don't rush the process. If you rush, you're gonna develop bad form, bad habits. Never rush the process. Feel free to slow down if you need to. Okay, I'm in kamae. First kick, boom. If I'm off balance, rebalance, regain my composure and my focus. Okay, second kick, and gyakuzuki. Okay. What helps me with these is visualization, imagining. If you don't see an opponent or you don't create some sort of simulation, it's not going to feel real. And you are just going to be kind of hitting air. You're not going to develop that mental preparedness you need to actually make contact. So like I go through these mirrors in front of me, first kick, and with this, don't be too technical about the chamber. When I do the first kick, it is already ready to shoot out. Okay, my knee is already pointing to my opponent. I don't have to go maigeri keage, bring it to the side, and then yoko kekomi. From here, boom, okay, rebalance if you need to, and just torque your hip from there, okay, boom. So as you can see, there's like 3 hip motions going on. First one, swing up, swinging, thrust. 1, 2, 3. Okay, try that third drill. I guarantee you'll be sore at the very least. All right, guys, the last drill. This is one of my favorites, and I feel like I kind of instinctively, intuitively started practicing this myself many moons ago when I started karate. And it's just the yokogeri keage followed by empi uchi. It is a very technical sequence found in many katas, sochin, kanku, just to name a few. But essentially, you're going to be doing side snap kick and following with empi uchi. So from here, I chamber, okay? Foot comes up by the knee points to the opponent, side snap, and shift into empi uchi. So depending on the kata, you either go right from there, or you step up sometimes, or you do the full chamber, palm, palm. Okay, so you can play with all 3 methods, but I'd just say basic method, just go straight from the hip. Palm, 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 palm. So you want to feel the uraken, the backhand, when you kick. Also, when you do the empi uchi, the elbow strike, you want to feel a certain kind of thrust and carry over to the energy. So from here, 1 and 2. You want to avoid going like this. Just going up and down, up and down. Each move, you need to have intent behind the technique. Boom. And feel free, like I said, to go slow. Ich, ni, san. Okay? Ich. You want to feel that drive with your hip. Pum, pum, pum. Do that a couple times down the floor, and I guarantee your side snap kick is going to be 10 times better. So I hope you guys like those 4 drills. I certainly do, and I'm happy to share them with you. Tag a friend, share it, and train together. So good luck, everybody. Keep training hard, and I'll see you all in the next video.